This one.
Yeah.
Hiccup?
Poor dude. It's nap time for dude.
You have the hiccups and you don't like it?
Nap time, nap time.
No.
William, you want to take a nap?
No.
Do you ever want to take a nap?
No.
Do you ever want to go to bed?
No.
Do you have the hiccups?
No.
Are they making you angry?
No.
It's okay.
You have hiccups?
Oops.
Oh, your poor car. Don't do that to your car, buddy. Oh, no.
What's that, William? Is that your new car?
Did it break?
No. No.
Uh-oh, you broke it.
You're being nice to your car, bud.
What did this go to? Oh, it was the inside. You gotta be more gentle, William.